As clean energy rapidly emerges as the dominant global energy source, it is used across deserts, icy plateaus, salt-laden coastal areas, and hot and humid islands. Energy equipment must stay efficient, stable, and safe for decades. How do we meet these challenges? To address these challenges, we require high-quality products that endure throughout their life cycle. From the design stage, potential risks are identified and addressed. Strict control ensures high-quality incoming materials. Patented soldering ensures a 99% yield. Fully automated production drives zero-defect manufacturing. Digital equipment and AI-based inspection of core processes ensure zero false positives at key quality control points. Simulation tests are conducted under conditions more extreme than those encountered in the real world. Overcoming the dual challenges of time and nature. Operating stably under conditions more extreme than real-world environments in all working scenarios. With global customers, partners, and industry chains, we redefine high quality. We have delivered stable, reliable power for over a decade. Along the southern route of the Silk Road, despite sandstorms, the annual equipment failure rate has been below 0.5% for over a decade. On the Red Sea shores, our systems have operated at temperatures up to 50 degrees Celsius, transmitting over 1 billion kilowatt-hours of green energy. By the banks of the Yalong River, we have ensured stable performance at negative 25 degrees Celsius, pushing quality to new heights. Looking back at our achievements and focusing on the future, we are forging excellence and delivering higher value.
10多年来，设备一直安全可靠，让人放心。
最重要的是长期稳定运行，
坚持做难而正确的选择，时间会带来价值。
In this era, high quality drives progress. Life cycle safety and reliability are the foundation of sustainable industry development. Together, we develop high quality energy solutions to shape a sustainable future. Forging excellence together, delivering high value through intelligence. To every collaborator who pursues high quality development.